What's up, guys? Welcome to Every Day's Off. So I like these cheap little Casio watches. They're great to wear to work, waterproof, pretty tough watch. But one problem that I have with it is the little band that comes on it breaks. And for years I've been just replacing watches every time one of these bands that retains the strap breaks. It's kind of a pain in the butt. So I'm going to show you how to make a Kydex band for your watch strap. All you need is a sheet of Kydex plastic. So they come in various sizes, but I typically get like an 8.5 by 11 sheet. Then we'll go over here. You can get some cutters like these, and you cut it about, half an inch or so, strip about this wide. You can measure what the original one is on your watch if you want, but I just kind of eyeball it. Hard to do this one-handed. I'm using my other hand to hold the phone and film. You get the idea. So once you cut your piece off, just kind of lay these on top of each other. Hold this here in place. Then you take your lighter, heat up the plastic. Once that plastic gets warm, it'll bend right over to whatever shape you want it. Just like this. It doesn't take long. You will burn through your Kydex if you take too long, so be quick. Then it's locked into place once it cools. Then you can trim it to the appropriate length. So I'll cut mine right here where the two pieces meet. So that's what it looks like. Then I typically heat it back up one more time to get these two pieces to line up perfectly. And kind of hold it clamped and just put one little row of super glue on that seam, and it holds it in place. To demonstrate, just heat this back up a bit. You'll see it start to straighten back out, but bend it back up into place where it's touching the other side, and just hold it there until it's no longer pliable once it's cooled. So there's what you get. While there's still a gap, put it back on your watch band, add a drop of super glue, and you're good to go. It'll last you longer than the watch will.